Good morning, everyone. So today I was reading a book about 7 habits of a happy kid. In that book, there was a bear named Goob, and he didn't have so much money, and he wanted to buy a bug collecting kit. So what he did is, with his friend Jumper, he quickly set up a lemonade stand. So some of the people came to buy lemonade because it was very hot. So then they divided, after they got all the money, they divided the money in 2 halves, and then his friend Jumper bought lots of things, but they all went waste. So then Goob, meanwhile he was collecting, Goob quickly hid all his money in a saving jar. So then he still had a lot of money left, so he bought his bug collecting kit. So from this story, what I learned is that we should always save money, and also I learned how to make lemonade. So today, let's learn how to make lemonade. First, we need some water in this glass. So awesome! I got a glass of water. So now let's begin. First, let's add a little bit of jaggery. Now a little bit of Zeera. This much. Now let's add a bit of black salt. Just 1 teaspoon. Now we just add a bit of lemon. So, as we had added lemon, we are going to, with a spoon, we are going to stir it a bit. So let's begin with the stirring now. We have to stir it very properly so all of the ingredients get mixed very properly. Now we always have to take a sip of it if it's okay and there's no less ingredient or more ingredient. There's a little bit, very little of jaggery. So let's add some more jaggery. So as we are adding jaggery, again we are going to taste it. Perfect. Now as it is ready, we can drink it all. But make sure you ask an adult to cut your lemon. Thank you.